We got that thing nice and good. Look at that. Woo, look at that slime. Ah.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
This is Myhouse TV.
Damn.
Myhouse. 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 It's Myhouse TV. Welcome to Myhouse TV Valentine's edition, baby. So this is what we about to do. I'm about to show you a little something. I'm about to make some slime because you know how the kids have to take gifts and candy and all that for Valentine's Day. So we decided to, hey, how about let's just make some slime and let's get everybody some in these. And then we're going to decorate them up. Got the hearts, all that good stuff. We got all our supplies. Glue. We're going to put a big one in here and then we're going to disperse it between, disperse it between everyone so everybody can have some slime. You know what I mean? Alright, we're about to get this thing started. Alright, people, we're about to get this thing started.
I already got the names of the list.
Alright, she got a little list of her names and things like that. So we're going to start with our empty.
We're going to do fluffy slime.
Do some fluffy slime. Yeah, it's okay. She need little muscles. You gonna pour it in there?
Yeah, just tell me to stop.
Actually, let's do the rest of this. Hold on. Some old stuff fell in.
Oh, this is it.
I'm gonna put the rest of that in there.
Oh, we're gonna just put it back in.
Yeah. It's gonna be some great Valentine's little gifts. These kids gonna love it because it comes from the heart. It's coming from TaKhia. You don't have to go and actually buy anything. Because TaKhia said that Valentine's Day is not just for candy. It's for love. So I told her to just give everybody a hug. And she said no. So she don't know what she's talking about then.
Somebody can have the flu.
Somebody can't have the flu because the flu is bad this year. She is right. Alright, so we're not going to wait on that to go all in there. We're going to go ahead and just get some old glue in there. Okay, that's it? Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
If we need to make more, we can make more.
Yeah. Alright.
So we are going to put the food coloring in, which we got our red.
Yep, we are using the gold medal red food coloring. This is that real deal right here. So let's see if we can get red out of here instead of that pink. Alright, you got that spoon. Let's mix it up. We're going to mix that up. Probably drop a little bit more red in there to try to get more red. Let me stir it because you're not even getting the size. You got all this glue on the side. Like you're not even stirring. I'm not sure what you're doing.
Yeah, we're gonna have
She needs some muscle, some manpower.
No, it's not about muscles.
You need a little manpower, baby.
No, no.
Oh yeah, you need some manpower. Let's put a little bit more of that red in there for me, please. Oh yeah, let's see what we get. We might get pink overall because the white overpowers the little bit of red that goes in there. So, and there's a lot of white that was in there. I think this is going to be great. The boys just going to have to get pink. I mean, it's going to be slime, so they're going to love it anyway.
And we have more boys than girls.
You got more boys than girls?
So we have, let me see.
Alright, so we're gonna mix that. We got that all mixed all up. So now we're gonna put enough.
I only got 9 girls in there.
9 girls.
The shaving cream.
Put that shaving cream in there. Did you take it over?
Yeah, shake it.
You sure? A little more water than anything. No, I think it's pretty good.
Let me try this one.
Let me see. Let me see if it's just this that's coming out all watery like.
Yeah, because this kind of been in the cold.
Yeah, it's the shaving cream itself. That one gonna come out? Alright, let me mix this up.
I'm going to add some baking soda. A little. Yeah.
You gonna add baking soda now?
I can just use my fingers.
Oh yeah, this definitely turning back pink now. All this extra white. I forgot all about that.
I like the smell of it though.
Shaving cream was white. Yep, so now we're back to like a bright pink.
Yeah, and I'm also going to add some glitter in it. Some silver glitter.
Let's put a little bit more of this.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we got next baking soda.
Yeah.
Alright, how much baking soda you gonna put in there?
I'm going to put some more though. I'll do one more.
Alright, so she did like 3 pinches.
Not 3 pinches, like did that.
Oh,
Wait,
that was like pinches. That wasn't even that much. Like 3 pinches.
and if we need to add more, we can add more if it's not sticky. If it's sticky.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna add glitter.
Glitter. Add a little glitter. I mean, a lot of glitter. Add a lot of glitter.
Can we mix it up? And then we'll add
I'm gonna let
more.
you mix that up. I'm gonna bring you over here so you can see this glitter inside of here. I'll add that glitter on in there. Ooh, look at it shining.
There's like a lot of colors in there.
It is. It's our recyclable thing. When you have leftover glitter, you just throw it in one of the glitter things, and this is the one we throw it in.
Add a little bit more. See glitter.
A little bit more glitters.
And then we'll add our solution.
Yeah. Alright, let's put that you ready for the solution now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we get. Let me hold that for you because that's going to fall right on in there. Get that solution in there.
Can feel it.
You feel it? Oh, I see it. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
I'll put it at this table.
Right. Alright, so we still doing a little stirring because it's a lot, so we had to go get a bigger spoon. We had to get that big spoon. I think you just gotta mix it more. But there's still a lot of glue at the bottom. I don't think the solution's gonna help.
So guys, I'm gonna make
It's harder than we thought. It's a lot of slime. I don't think we ever made something big like this. I know I've seen people make bigger.
they use
Slime.
touched it.
It's not sticky. Yes,
That's
it is.
because you touched it, really.
Look at my hand.
I'm used to slime, so it's used to me. So it only sticks to you.
Woo. That right there. Mixing up in this thing. Woo. Got your muscles working. TaKhia's back there getting her right on her little slime bottle. So she's gonna get that going. I think the slime is pretty much ready. So we're gonna start getting those in those tubes, and then we'll get to decorating them up. All right.
I'm playing it.
We got that thing nice and good. Look at that. Woo, look at that slime. Ah. All right. Look at that. Oh, slime. Look at that slime. Man.
You don't want to get it all.
Yeah, so basically it wasn't, it was too sticky. So we added a lot more baking soda in there. So it kind of formed. And we had to add some more solution. But I'm not sure the exact ingredients on this, but this is pretty good right here. So, are we going to start putting it in here?
Yeah. I will start with.
Alright, so we start getting some in these little tubes, these little bottles. Yeah, no.
Okay.
And if we have to make more, we will. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Nice and ready for Valentine's Day gifts for the classroom. Then we're gonna hot glue some of this stuff on there, decorate it all up. Got the little hearts to put on there, so we're gonna get to that in a minute. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Man. Oh, that slime. Look. Nice. Look at that. Ah.
I need some.
It came out pretty good. There you go. We're going to finish filling these up. And then we're going to be back to do the decorating. Alright. Alright, we have all our slimes together. Now it's time to decorate. So we have some of these little hearts have backs on it. So this one says "You're cute."
This one says "Love you."
This one says "You're cute." So
sweetheart, sweetheart. XOXO.
Start putting some.
Yeah.
Maybe put it right there.
And I'm also going to do like some zigzags like this.
I'll do some zigzags on it. Cute. Oh, that one that says sweetheart.
We're going to use our hot glue gun over here.
Yeah.
Just these ones.
You saw what?
Just these need to be. These all have stickers.
No, I know. That's why I want to get a good one. You think I didn't look?
Just
Sweetheart.
be careful so you don't melt the plastic.
This will melt.
Got a white sweetheart. White sweetheart.
This is actually my chicken though.
Alright, I got that.
Let's see.
If it melts,
It might melt.
Got some big old hearts.
Let's just try really quick on this one and see if it'll.
Well, we can use the juicy heart. Oh, this one just have red. This one just red. Put that on the other side again. Yeah. Right there. Right there. It's not gonna melt it.
Just don't put a whole.
Little one of theirs right there.
It's just like flying.
So you can handle that?
I made a little V for
But
Valentine's
you sure you can
Day.
handle that one? Where's my
This one looks better.
There's that. Not sticking all that well, but get what you get, don't throw a fit.
They're all gonna be slamming it, so.
Yeah. I don't think they really care about their
Decoration?
decorations on there, as long as they get their slime. And that's right, kids. As long as you get your slime, you in there. You don't care what your thing look like. Oh, I did have somebody, what was this doing? Oh, the fidget spinner. That little box thing was kind of broke, and they was like, and they tried to trade. I'm like, you gotta throw that box in the garbage.
Right, it's just a box.
You gotta play with the fidget spinner, not the box. You gonna go somewhere? All right. That's mine. Boom. All right. That's all this one did. I'm already decorated out. Mom, would you like to help?
No, she wants to do hers.
I know, but I only did 3. She has 21 in all.
Okay, give me 2, give me 2.
You want to come trade seats? All right, Mom's gonna come over here. I don't know. She want my cool shade. You want my cool shade? Ooh, she want my cool shade. How y'all like my cool shade? Y'all like that? Valentino Day.
I wrote something on one of these hearts since they're playing. I wrote on one of them, love. Okay. Well, one of these slimes are for me, so. Because I'm counted as.
This is cheaper than candy. And everybody's doing candy. Everybody. So, be different. Be different. Let us know in the comments what you guys did for Valentine's Day for your class.
Somebody was going to do slime in my class, but I didn't know.
What are some of your guys' favorite crafts to do on Valentine's Day?
You did this one?
No.
Oh.
Let us know.
In the comments down below.
Also, let us know what you did in your class.
We're gonna have a party.
We're having a party tomorrow. Kindergarten's having a party too, so let us know what kind of party and games and prizes and what you guys did. This also teaches kids that you don't always have to buy stuff from the store. You can, you know, get stuff and make it.
Spend instead of spending all your money.
Yeah.
Which I don't spend all my money.
Me either.
But one time I spent all my money and then something just came back. I had money in my purse.
Grades.
And now I just get money. I'm just playing. I get money for working hard. And grades. And my birthday.
Yeah.
Who doesn't get money for your birthday?
A lot of people might not get money for their birthday. Or grades. We get money for grades. That little piece, guys. Sorry, I was in there cooking. Travis's birthday is this weekend, so we're gonna be doing some fun, different stuff. He's having a party and stuff, so we're gonna be going to Family Fun Center, and then we're gonna come back. Yeah, and then we're gonna come back.
How many boys are coming over?
I have no idea. I think 6 total.
Well, there might be a girl coming over, so.
I don't know. Maybe.
I want to ask. You got that? She doesn't answer my text messages so much though.
So, I'm also going to teach you guys a little something real quick. One thing about money is that if you are saving up for something and your parents aren't going to give you money all the time, you could make these and sell them for 50 cents to $1. These little containers, they're 10 for $1. Okay? So, let me see my phone real quick. I'm going to do a little calculation real quick. I'm going to teach you guys a little something real quick. So, it was $3 for us to buy 30 of these because we needed to, we got them from the Dollar Tree. So, we got 30 of them, so $3 there. Shaving cream is $1 at the dollar store.
Well, everything's $1.
Everything's $1. We got the glue. It's like $18, $15 for that gallon at Walmart. So I'm gonna do a little math for you guys really quick and show you guys that you guys can make a profit off of these. So you could set up outside, you could set up at your parents' work, you could do it on Etsy, you can do it online, you can have your parents help you. So for 30 of them, we're just gonna say 30, so we're gonna do $3 plus 3 shaving creams and then 15 for that glue, let's just say. So it's $21, $21 guys. $21 and we made 21 of these. So if we sell all these for $1, yeah. So let's just say we sell all of these for $1, even, let's add the other ones because we could have put more in here too. We could have did more in our jar, but we're gonna go off of that. So we could, you know, let's say we sell them for $1, we can make $30 off of that. Subtract it by that 20 and you make about $10, $10 more. You could do bigger, you can sell them for $2 if you wanted to because you could put all the way to the top. So you really could make anywhere from $10 to $15 because you always got to make sure you got to get your money back for your bank. So basically your money that you spent on that, that's not profit. So whatever money you spent, you got to take that out. And then whatever's remaining is your profit. So
more glue.
We do. They're in that bag. In my craft bag. So it's with anything. You can sell chips. You can do anything to make some money. Parents give you $20. See how you can make some money. Craft bag.
Sorry.
So we'll do that another time. I'll sit over here and teach you guys how you kids can make money. And the biggest thing is being a kid, people are going to buy from you. They're going to buy from you. So whatever you make, whatever your hobby is, turn it into like a little store. You're never too young to start and you're never too old to start a business. A million people can tell you no, but that one person who tells you yes, you're gonna make it. All right, we're gonna finish up and we'll show you the finishing things. Oh, hey, we're back. So, we're done. That was really easy, you guys. So you could do this for any occasion that's coming. A birthday, Valentine's Day, what other holidays can you do it? Christmas little gifts, whatever. Smells good, that's why she's doing it. So there's always good ideas that you could do, different stuff. Like I said, it's pretty cheap for this, so it goes a long way, and they look great, and I can't wait for the kids to play with it. So Myhouse TV, thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you soon. Bye, Myhouse TV.
Bye, Myhouse TV.